Guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy F17 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect pin entered. You can see incorrect pin entered. Okay, to do hard reset, first, connect your Samsung Galaxy F17 5G smartphone to the laptop and PC with the help of USB cable. Now I'm going to connect it to this USB cable to my laptop. As you can see, it is successfully connected. Okay, now if we try to power off the smartphone, you can see enter pin to turn off phone. Okay, to do reset, press and hold the volume down and power button together until the phone screen turn off. Press and hold it. Now wait a moment and now press and hold the volume up and power button together and release. And you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Now unplug the cable. It will send you in Android recovery mode. Now you are in Android recovery mode. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. And you can see guys, wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. If your SD card is encrypted, all data stored on your SD card will also be lost. Now go to factory data reset and confirm. And you can see data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Samsung Galaxy F17 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.